Good afternoon, my YouTube bicycle friends. I'm riding at the Grapevine in Madisonville, Kentucky. If you wait around to the end of the video, I will do a kind of walk around and show you the facilities in the parking area. So I hope you enjoy the ride, and here we go. Well, hello my bike riding YouTubers. Hope you're having a good day today, this Sunday afternoon. I'm in Madisonville at the Grapevine trail system. This is my fourth time here. This is a really good trail system. I'm riding in Eco. This is a tight squeeze right there for me. My bars are wide. Good berms. This is a cool trail system. I like it a lot. Now, I've only been over here days riding it this way. I want to come on one of the days where you ride it the opposite way. Sometimes I ride it twice, so we'll see how the day goes. The last time I was here, I rode it in Eco and then went back to the truck, refreshed a little bit, then rode it in trail to see kind of how much faster I could ride it. This is a really good trail system. I don't know the names of the people that built it, but they're out of Arkansas. Somebody that watches this might know and can comment on there who built it. The first time I rode this, the guy that actually was instrumental in getting this trail put in Madisonville, getting the local officials and government behind it, he was here and I got to meet him. He was really nice. This little pump section kind of right here, a jump. But if you watch my last bicycling video where I rode around town and I was talking about how I stay in shape, you know that I've had full knee replacement and tore my wrist all to pieces in January. So I stay on the ground. I don't get off the ground too much. I can't take a fall. Been a lot of years since I rode with leaves on the ground. This is September the 8th, and it's seeming like we're going to have an early fall. Leaves are already starting to dry up and fall. I've got me a trip in 2 weeks planned for Arkansas, Bentonville. So I'm going to go to Bentonville and ride. Just a great trail system. It is awesome. And if you're a person that likes to be in the air, it's got several places for that. That dropper post is a deal, man. I tell you, I love that thing. And then especially it being Bluetooth, makes it so much easier. Cool trail. I love it. Now I got to get out and venture around to more trail systems around in the area. This is a good one. Wished I had something like this in my hometown of Russellville. And I'm actually shooting this video today. My wife is actually with me. She brought her a chair. She likes sitting out in the sun, so she's sitting out in the sun in the parking lot. And she booked our trip to Arkansas on the ride down here. Now she's just looking up stuff about it. Arkansas, Bentonville. There's a tight squeeze too. I don't know if you call that the fat man squeeze or the fat bar, wide bar squeeze. One thing I noticed from riding in Eco and trail on the trail system, when you're on the trail is in eco, it seems like I have to do more shifting. In trail, I don't have to do as much shifting. It seems like I can stay in the gear and start pedaling, and then the power of the bike helps you get up the hill. Down in the description of my video, I'll put the address to this place down there, right to the parking lot. I like riding some, like on this trail in eco. It gives me a little more workout, burn a little more calories. Lots of good jumps if you're a jumper. I'm gonna roll over. First look at the lake. Whoa. Whoa. Now, this is roughly about the halfway mark right here. That's the road you can go back to the parking lot on, up there where I'm parked. Now what I did right there is I went trail boost, because I was in the wrong gear to get up that hill, and you can hit boost like that and power yourself on up. I would not, at my age, go back from a e-bike. I love it. Let me know if you've ridden this trail system, what you think about it. I love it. All right, drop a post down. Take this curve. I love that drop a post. I wish I was about 30 years younger. I could jump them jumps. There's probably 60-year-old men out there that's jumping them, but not this one. I ruined that knee, or ruined that wrist, my wife. It'll be worse than the fall. Just beautiful in here. It does the mind, the body, and the soul so much good. Just to get out in the woods, mountain bike, exercise. I'm going to take my bike over to Bikes and More here in the next week or so. Just have them go through it. May put another set of tires on it. I do so much road riding at home to stay in shape. Just put another set of tires on it. Go through it, service it, clean it. Make sure it's ready to go. I don't know if I mentioned this in the first of the video, but one reason I'm shooting this video is, you know, Alan Jackson, he wrote this song, the job description. Said he wrote it so he tell his wife what they do out on the road, what his life's like. So I'm shooting this video today so I can show her what it's like out here, to show her what a man she married. Hercules, Hercules. We're probably getting close to the end. It's about 8.5 miles, I believe. Right at 8 miles, 8.5. I wouldn't ride like this with my wife. I would take it easy so she wouldn't get hurt. But I switched it up into trail. I was ready to, I don't want to burn her out the first day, and I may ride some of this again. This is just so much fun and does so much for you. Oh, I recommend it to anybody. If you're sitting on the couch, go buy you a nice mountain bike. And I say nice one, I mean buy what you can afford, but it is for me. The further I go up into it, the nicer bike, the nicer components, the more I enjoy it, the more comfortable it is, the more plush it is. You'll enjoy it more. The thing I find with the e-bike is you'll ride more, because I come in a lot of times in the evenings and I'm tired. I don't feel like getting out and riding. But I'm like, well, I can put it up in trail, and if I need to, put it up in boost. And that helps me, but I'm still getting some exercise, still getting some activity, still losing weight, still building muscle. And at 62 going on 63, I think that's highly important in this stage of my life. Build muscle, build lung capacity, lose weight, be in shape, try to make it to 100. Ooh, there's another fat bar squeeze. Yeah, there's the road right there that we came in on, so we're here at the end. So we're at 8.4. I thought it was around 8.5. Yeah, right there's the parking lot, my truck. I'm going to show you two more things this place has to offer right here. There's that wonderful woman. So this is kind of a flow trail, lots of berms on the turns. This is a jump trail. Now I ain't leaving the ground no more than I have to, but I just want to show it to you. For you young whippersnappers or the big jumpers or old whippersnappers or whatever, man, this is it right here. You could sky on that thing if you had that kind of ability, and right there too. My ability days are gone. That's a big one right there, but we're gonna go around it. And I'm gonna be on the brakes. I know y'all probably call me chicken. I don't really care. I left the ground right there a little bit. Right there, just a hair. You could sky on that one. But man, you could fly on that thing. All right, let's pedal back up, and then we'll come back down the other. All right, now we'll go in this one. Some little pumps up there. Ooh, slid right there was an acorn. That's what you got to watch this time of year. Big jumps right there. I just rode around them. It's so dry, I can tell the tires aren't biting as good as normal, because it is dry and slick. Don't have to pedal much on this one. It's pretty much just coast down the hill. You gotta watch them leaves and them acorns right now. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And we're back at the parking lot. Oh, it's so much fun. Even with my talent, that's so much fun. Let's go back to the truck. Let me show you what I did. Average speed was 10.4, rode 9.57 miles. We'll just finish that, save the activity. Then I'll come over here to the specialized out and finish that. So it tells me I burned 253 calories, 9.6 miles, moved 45 minutes. Average speed 12 on that one. They're never the same for some reason. Let me give you a little tour of this place. And I'm getting this from the guy that designed this place when I met him. There's a little track right here that just loops around the woods, goes over in there, and you can come out right here, or it can come back around right there or there. And they built that, he said, for the kids, so the parents could sit up here in the parking lot and let the kids ride there. You've got air conditioned and heated bathrooms. You have a little workstation right here, hang your bike up. They got a rack right here to put your bike, and they got a washing station right here. This place, I mean, it's cool. They did it up right. There's my truck. There's the two trails. That one's the big jump trail going that way. That's the kind of the flow trail with the big banks, berms. Here's a map of the place, and this tells you what days, what directions. So I just came out right here. So Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, you ride going in this way. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, you go in over here. Well, I'm loaded up, as you can see, and I'm fixing to head back home. And I was going to tell you, I'll show you next time, maybe loading it, but Kuat, I believe Kuat. Somebody that's a professional speech can tell me. I really like that rack. That is a nice rack. But I'm headed out. We're headed back home. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. I did ride it. I rode 5 more miles. I rode half of it and then came back in, but I didn't take the camera. I'll see you next time.